everybody. In this video we will create couple more enemies, and for creating that enemies uh, we can just use the same script. So in prefabs we will go to enemies, and I will just add this Beetle enemy here as a prefab. Okay, so that's nice, it's ready now. So also we will update the player, because we have made some here we have just added some more things. So for player prefab we can just delete the guy, and then sorry, not delete this guy. Here in players we will delete this guy, and then we will just drag drop this. So this is new prefab now. Okay, so now for enemies we already have some more enemies as well, like Beetle and Scorpion as well. So for the Scorpion we can use the same process. So I will just add the Scorpion here. So for Waq, I think so, Waq Scorpion, and we will make its layer to 5, and also we will make its size to 0.3 I think. Okay, and definitely 0.3 is not a good figure, 0.2 is fine I think. So 0.2, and 0.2 is a big as well. 0.15 maybe, 0.1 maybe, yeah, 0.1 is fine. 0.1. Okay, so but 0.1 is very small. 0.15. Okay, so now we will do the same thing with this enemy. We will select enemy Scorpion, sorry. Okay, and then we will add rigid body 2D. We will freeze the rotation. We will also add capsule collider 2D. We will make it horizontal. We can manage it like this. Sorry. Okay, and also we will add some objects. So we don't know that which is the front of Scorpion, so we will just animate it before doing anything else. So I will just bring the animation window, and then we will select Scorpion, create animation. We will move to assets, animations, and here we will create a Scorpion animation, Scorpion enemy. Okay, so for this enemy we will create Waq animation. So for Waq, as we have these sprites, so select these sprites, and we will drag drop these sprites here. We will extend the frame to 1, and now we will have Waq animation for Scorpion. We will also create a new clip, and we will create a stunned animation, and I will just rename it to stunned only. Okay, so we don't have to change the name in animator controller. So dead, we will select the dead animation. We will just add it here. Sorry, and we will drag this slider, and when we are happy, see, yeah, that's fine, then we can leave it. So that's fine. Now we have created 2 animations. Now we will select Scorpion. We will add animator controller, it's already added, and now we will add the script, which is the Beetle enemy script. So Beetle enemy script, that's fine. We will select player layer, which will be player. Okay, and then we will add collisions. So before that I will just run it and see that which is the front of this scorpion. So here you can see is not moving itself. I think I will just delete the beetle enemy, we don't need it at all. We will play the scorp game, and scorpion should walk from right to left, and he is animating but he is not walking, and I don't know why, because we should have these objects before that, I think so. So let's add it, no problem. I will just select the empty object, and this is the bottom collision. This is actually important for movement, so I will just add it to this side, and I don't know the front. Yeah, actually this is the front of the scorpion. Yeah, that's fine. So here we will add in the front, and then we'll select scorpion, and bottom collision will be down collision. Now it will move, hopefully. So let's see. So now he should move. Unfortunately he's not moving because we don't have these objects. Let's add these objects as well. Maybe this is the problem, although he should move with this bottom collision. I don't know why he's not moving. So anyhow, we will duplicate it, we will add it here, we will name it right collision. We will duplicate it, we will move it to left, we will add left collision, we will duplicate it, we will move it to top, and this is the top collision. Here. Okay, so left and right is fine. So now we will select scorpion, and we will add right collision, left collision, and top collision, and now everything is fine. I think it should act now, and gravity is fine, everything is fine. We have this move speed 1, so it should move from right to left and left to right. Let's see. Yeah, now he's moving. Okay, and he is damaging us. Yeah, he's damaging. Yes, and yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so retry, move to main menu. That's nice. We have created successfully the second enemy, which is the scorpion enemy. In next video we will add one more enemy, up and down enemy, and the last enemy will be boss enemy. So let's move to a prefab enemies, add scorpion here, and that's it. Okay, next video we will create a new enemy.